Hello students, how are you? I am Prithvi. So today I am teaching you coordinate geometry, and the topic is first topic is how to deal with the coordinates. Now this is our coordinate axis. We represent this is in two axes. X axis, this is x axis, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. Now then it's we are extend here, this is now x axis and y axis where they intersect, this point is known as O, and their coordinates are 0 0. This is called origin. And if we walk towards the x-axis direction, this is positively, we represent positive sign. If we walk towards the upward direction, this is also will take positive sign. And if we walk towards the x dash axis, this dimension with negative sign. If we walk towards the downwards from the origin, that is negatively sign. Here this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. There are four quadrants. All are in this first quadrant. All the coordinates means here is plus signs. X-axis and y-axis dimensions take with positive sign, and in the second quadrant here is x-axis are negative and y-axis is positively signed, and in the third quadrant both axis with negatively representation, and in the fourth quadrant is here is plus and minus. Okay, these are the four quadrant, two axes where they meet. This point is called origin, and the dimension of the x-axis like this is called or abscissa, and the dimension of on the y-axis, that is called ordinates, and the combination of two axes like suppose 4 comma 5 comma 4, for example this is 5 comma 4, it means 5 is distance on x-axis, and this second coordinate, this is second point is 4, this is called ordinates. But in the collectively we represent or we called by coordinates. Coordinate, it means the abscissa, this is first quadrant is called abscissa and second quadrant is known as ordinates, and the combinedly if we call this, that is called coordinate in geometry. Now there are few formulas to find the dimension or distance. So first formula is to find the distance between 2 points. For example, this is the another diagram here, and here is this point. For example is this is A and this is B. This point is A and this point is B, and their coordinate is x1 comma y1, and this coordinate is x2 comma y2. These 2 points are on the points of x-axis, A points, that is x1 y1, and the coordinate of point B is x2 axis and y2 axis. Now if we want to find the distance of AB with the help of distance formula. Distance formula means number 1, the distance of AB is equals to is the if we needs to find the distance of this length, that is AB. Now in this regarding we take the perpendicular from A point on x axis here, then this point is for example C, and the perpendicular from the point B on the x axis, this is point D. Now from this point A point we draw the perpendicular here. This is make the another diagram. This is equals to, here is they meet at perpendicular, this is point is E. So A B E, it either this point E we can write here, and this is here is I reflect C. Okay, now in our hand, now this point A B C, 3 points are here, and they, if 3 points are joined together, then it becomes into a triangular, and this triangle is 90 degree at point C. So we call this triangle is a right angle triangle. Now in this right angle triangle, this is perpendicular and this is base. This is perpendicular and here is this is hypotenuse. Now once again come back here, this distance is called x1 because here is the point, first coordinate of point A is x1 and this distance is y1, this distance from here to here. Similarly here is also y1 because both distance are same. Now if this distance is x1 and this distance from here to here, this is x2. Okay, and if we want to find the distance of AC, it means x2 minus x1. The whole distance, this is x2 and this small distance is x1. So x2 minus x1, this is equals to AC. Then here it's we can write x2 minus x1 means this distance is x2 minus x1 from point, this is ED, it means ED is equals to x2 minus x1, and the distance of BC is equals to, this distance is y1, this is full distance from B to D, that is y2. So y2 minus y1 is, that is BC, this is y2 minus y1. This distance is, this equals to BC. This is x2 minus x1, this is y2 minus y1. Okay, now but we need what is the distance of AB. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle, or we know the Pythagoras theorem is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is the distance AB is equals to is AB square is equals to, this is hypotenuse, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the square of their sum, the square of the sum of their lengths. It means base square AC square plus BC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Already every student I hope know. Then now we put the distance of x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1 in place of this. This is x2 minus x1 to the whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1 to the whole power 2. This is equals to ab square. Now find the square root of both sides. The square root of both sides, it means this is ab is equals to root x2 minus x1 to the whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1 to the whole power 2. This is our distance formula to find the distance between 2 points. So now one more thing, if we interchange their coordinates, then new formula will also comes. Then a b distance will be same, but their coordinates will be interchanged in bracket. Then it is x1 minus x to the whole power 2 plus y1 minus y to the whole power 2. This formula and this formula both are same. Either x2 minus x1 to the whole power 2 plus y2 minus y to the power y1 to the whole power 2 and their square roots. This is AB. Either you can say AB is equals to x1 minus x to the whole power 2 plus y1 minus y to the whole power 2 with their square root is equals to AB. This is also called distance of AB. It means the distance of this AB is equals to, we can find this. If x1 and x2, we take the coordinates. Suppose here is the another point. This is A point and this point is B. Now this coordinate is 4, 4 and here is 8, 6, 4, 8, okay, 8, 8. This point A is 4, 4, point B is 8, 8. Then how we find the distance between these 2 points? It means applying this formula here, then AB, suppose this is the coordinates here represent, this is O and the point coordinate of A is 4, 4 and the coordinate of B is 4, 4. Now we find the AB, distance of AB. Now then applying this formula, that is, if this is equals to AB is equals to root 8 x1 minus x2. Either you can use this is x1, this is x1 or this one x1. It's totally depends on you. Now so we write this x2 y2 x1 y1. Similarly 8 minus 4 to the whole power 2 plus 8 minus 4 to the whole power 2. Now finding this value, this is equals to root 8 minus 4 is 4 to the whole power 2 plus 8 minus 4 to the whole power 2. Then this is equals to 16 plus 16 with their square root. This is equals to 4 root 2 unit. It means the distance of AB is equals to 4 root 2 units. Now I hope the explanation of this formula, I hope you understand. And one questions we are doing here, so it is more beneficial for you. You can find out the values of distance AB. How we calculate? By putting this value and we find these results. If suppose x1 once steps we come back, here is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. If only one point is given here. This is, for example, this coordinate is x comma y or x1 y1. This coordinate, if we take at origin, one coordinates are here, then we take this coordinate at the point of origin, then we find the value of AB. Suppose the coordinate of A is 0, 0 and the coordinate of point B is x, y. Then find the distance between A and B. Then this is equals to AB. Distance formula is x minus 0 to the power 2 plus y minus 0 to the power 2. Then we are writing here AB. This is distance of AB is x square plus y square. It means this is the another formula. If any point is given, one point is given to the origin, so the distance between from the origin of a point, then we use this formula directly. It means the distance of AB is root x square plus y square. This is also the distance formula. Now there are so many questions you can find the values of. So one more examples we can do here. We take another example. So we write here now. The another example is points. Suppose this is point, question number, for example, 1. Okay. Now the coordinates are given is 5. The coordinate of then coordinate of point A 5, 5 and this here is 2, 1. Here is 2 coordinate. Here is 5, 5 and 2, 1. Then find the value of AB. AB we are applying directly. The distance of AB is equals to, this is, for example, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now then distance of AB is x2 minus x1 to the whole power